Alright, Grand Turk, Turks and Caicos. Just got off of Freedom of the Seas next to Carnival Celebration. This is Carnival's island here that they built. This is their port, and they allow other cruise ships to come on, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. Never been here before. So far, looks like a lot of people in the water. A lot of people just enjoying the beaches. And we'll see what else it has to offer. Here we are walking into the port of Grand Turk. I don't know about you guys, but it reminds me of like an opulent Turkish guy when I hear Grand Turk. It's not like the worst imagery in the world. I'm not mad at it. Duty free. Yes, the classic have to walk through the duty free store to get into the port. We will get out of this kind of quickly if we can. But it looks like they have a lot of different options for purchases, if that's something you need. Now we're in the port, and it is pretty much like any other standard port where it has Diamonds International, Effie, Ron John, places to take pictures, places to buy things. Looks like it's kind of bustling right now. We've got lots of different amenities, so we're gonna walk around and check it out and see what we find. See the ship there, massage and hair braiding, looks like some chair rentals, some food options. It is absolutely beautiful here. And it looks like they have some kind of a space little setup thing. I am not sure what is up with this. It's kind of cool. Embraced by Paradise splashdown at Grand Turk. When John Glenn returned to Earth after his history-making orbit, he splashed down here in the sparkling waters near Grand Turk Island. Oh, no way! That's cool. So this makes a lot of sense now. Why they have this set up here. Wow, that's super cool. Looks like there are a lot of beach chair rentals that you can get all along the beach. Good photo spot here. Even more chairs. Looks like a restaurant here too called the Beached Whale. Souvenir stores. Tanzanite International. Instead of Diamonds International, they have Tanzanite International here.
Hey guys.
Yes, I did.
Okay, here's our map here. And we are close to historic downtown, it says. That's cool. A little zoom in there. Looks like we have a lot of history here. Love to explore some of that. Alright, got Margaritaville. The party is happening there. Looks like some public restrooms. And I heard that this is the pool that's just open for people to use in the port. That's just right here in Margaritaville. Alright, so it's about 12:30 and there are plenty of places to sit. The pool looks quite crowded. But it looks like there are quite a few chairs open. If you're interested in enjoying a free pool experience. There's actually a flow rider back there. We have one on our cruise ship, so I can't say I'd want to wait here to do it or pay to do it here, but you never know. Look at this. They've got 3 of them going at once. No way. That's cool. Alright, here's the part right next to Margaritaville where they have free beach chairs.
That water ain't cold on that boat. That sun is everywhere.
Very cool. Nice view of the ship. The water looks so pretty today. Okay, it looks like there's a spot for taxis and tours. If you're going to leave the port, I guess this is the area to do that. We wanted to explore outside, but I don't think that there's really a good place to do that, and I don't really think that this is the port to do that. So it's mainly just a port with a lot of stores, some things that you can grab to eat, drinks. It's a big party here, Margaritaville, so it's kind of loud. I think you can walk further down the beach and just get a little bit of quiet if that's what you're looking for. But if you want to party at Margaritaville, that is definitely an option. It's kind of a small port, not a ton to do. I even looked at the excursions before we came here, and it didn't look like there were like a ton of different like excursions that you could do either. Makes sense because this is like Carnival's port, but it's cute. The water's really nice, and there's a lot of free things that you can do, so I am not mad at that at all. Got a Starbucks here. A cute little boutique called the Dizzy Donkey. Even more shopping. And leads you right back to the beach where there are some free beach chairs. Very cool. Alright, they've got a little craft market. To be honest, doesn't look like anything's really handcrafted. I mean, I could be totally wrong, but this all looks like just souvenirs. I mean, some of those do look handmade. But I mean, this is all kind of standard souvenir-y stuff. Good place to pick up a couple little items. And here's a little bird's eye view of the port. It's Grand Turk. As you can see, beyond just like the beach chairs and stuff, there's nothing back there. So it makes sense why there are a lot of tour buses and taxis and things like that to take you elsewhere on the island. But here's just kind of what it looks like from a bird's eye view. That was Grand Turk. Not much to it, but like I said, there's a lot of free things that you can enjoy. You can just walk off the port, you can go swimming, you can grab a free beach chair, you can grab a free pool chair, you can do some shopping, you can walk around in a relatively short amount of time. The ship is right there, you can get on, you can get off, you can do whatever. It's really nice and clean, and seems like a party's going on. So I really enjoyed this port, and I hope you did too. I'll see you in the next one.